Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy video how you can unzip any file, zip file, RAR file, 7-zip file. Any file you can do really easy. I have one of the file I had to extract. Then I try couple things. So a lot of software they ask you to pay or something, but in this video I show you quick and easy for totally free. First, you can go to your Google and you can type 7 space zip.org, or you can go to my video description and I have a link in description. You can just simply click. From here you can choose according to your window. If you have a 32-bit, like this one is from 2019 21, the latest one here, that's the old one. So we are going to download this one. If you have a 32-bit, and you can download this one, but in my case I have a 64-bit. I will click on download and it will take a couple seconds. Here we go, it's downloaded already. Then I say show all, and now I can see show in my folder. So what you have to do, I have installed already. You just simply double click on this link and you will be installed. After that you have nothing to do, just close your all window. Any file, like in my case I have this one, you want to extract, just right click and it will give you option 7-zip, and from here you can choose any option. Like say you want to extract file, you want to give a folder or something, or you want to do here the where is a file, it will do automatically. So just simply click on here, then you will see in a couple seconds it will extract for you. That's all you have to do. And there's other couple things you can do, like you can also say extract and file. You can do the file name here, like you can do any name. Okay, and now we have this folder already extracted the file. Here we go. That's the way you can do. That's all easy and quick. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.